Welcome to the Food Packaging Technology course. I'm Dr. Maya Raman, faculty in the Department of Food Science and Technology, Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies. Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies is the first fisheries university established in the country. The headquarters of the university is located in Kochi. The university offers various courses, postgraduate and degree courses in fisheries and other allied subjects. And one of the courses that is offered by the university is in food science and technology. Now let's come to the program. The food packaging technology. Why we need a food packaging technology course? What is the requirement? What is the need of this course? Food is a perishable commodity. Being a perishable commodity, the water content need to be reduced. It has high moisture content, and this moisture content acts as a pathway for microbial contamination. So this need to be controlled so that microbial contaminations can be controlled. And to reduce the water activity or the moisture content, we adopt various processing or preservation methods. These can be conventional or non-conventional. The conventional methods include freezing, drying, curing, smoking, canning, and the non-conventional methods include high pressure processing, ohmic heating, microwave heating, UV sterilization methods, etc., which are non-thermal methods basically. But we are not following the non-thermal methods because of their expensive nature and the high maintenance costs. So still we are continuing with the conventional techniques, but a lot of studies are being going on in these areas. And once the water activity has been reduced or the moisture content has been controlled, the product needs to be preserved properly. And there's a need for packaging technology because it helps in maintaining nutrients, that is both macro and micronutrients, and it also helps in extending the shelf life of the product. So we can go for different types of packaging materials, and the commonly used packaging materials are based on plastics, which you might be familiar with, that is polyethylene, and the very common ones are LDP and HDP. And usually they are like very common use. They cause environmental issues, and it has become a threat to the environment and the animals that are living in water or the terrestrial. So now some innovations have been coming in this area with the use of nanotechnology. Nano packaging systems are coming into existence. The edible packaging materials is also developing, and a lot of studies are going on in this area of science. This course has 5 modules, and which will be dealing with the introduction part, where we'll be introducing the system, the packaging technology, the need for packaging technology, and what are the different requirements that has to be met to develop a packaging technology. We'll also discuss about the analysis techniques and different equipments that will help in developing the packaging technology. In the last module, discussing about the advances that are happening in the packaging industry, and in this will also include the edible packaging techniques, biodegradable films, etc. And this course will be handled by 2 faculty members, myself and Dr. Jenny and John. Dr. Jenny is also an assistant professor in Department of Food Science and Technology. And for the assessment, we'll be using different parameters like attendance. The quiz will be provided at the end of each class, and we'll be having discussion forums where you can post your questions, and which will be answered either by the students or by the mentors. And we also have assignments which will be provided regularly and which has to be submitted at the prescribed time limit. And based on these parameters, we'll evaluate you. I welcome you once again for this program, and we'll meet in the next session.